Another draw against with skip against round number 3 with Norway chess with women's here between with first women champion Grandmaster in China Zhu and Jun against battle against with number 2 Grandmaster in China Zhu Juner. So what do you think about this one with round number 3 in this Norway chess here? So let's proceed of this play games here. White against with first women champion Grandmaster China Zhu and Jun against black pieces by number 2 Grandmaster China Zhu Juners without single round robin long game within 2 hours of these games here. So in this part of this video is in this Norway chess and also having analyzed of the standings after round number 3. So before we start here, so don't forget by game number 4 by Chess Face to Face 2026 between me versus Norberto Riston here, and we'll updates here with next week or this week within Sunday here. Okay, so white plays Zhu and Jun is d4, d5 by Zhu, c4, e6, queen's gambit decline, knight c3, knight f6, takes with pawns with Zhu and Jun, takes with Zhu Juner, and also bishop g5 by Zhu and Jun, because this is a diagonals by dark square here without bishop g5 with pins against with queens and threatening the knights here, and also c6 by Zhu Juner here, and also pawn e3 develops the pawns, and also h6 because why h6 without move of this one with h6 with attacks the tempos attacks with targets the bishop. So choose if you captured or backwards. Without decided backwards by Zhu and Jun bishop h4, and also bishop e7 develops the knights without coming by next castling. So next castling kingside here, and also bishop d3 by Zhu and Jun here, and simplified castling kingside by Zhu Juner, knight f3 by Zhu and Jun by next castling because next castling kingside here, and also strong knight e4 with jumping in by Zhu Juner because the knights with threatening the knights with openings with knights with dark square with diagonals with challenge by bishop to bishop here. So it is called by this one with openings with queen's gambit decline, exchange positional lines here. So it means this is a defense here. And also with choices by Zhu and Jun first women champion, bishop captured with bishop, queen takes by Zhu Juner, and also queen c2 defends the knights and bishop here, but not yet ready by right side by casting king side and left side by queen side here. So this is a chooses by 1. And also bishop f5 controls against with develops the protects the knights here, and also castling with Zhu and Jun, and also knight d7 controls against that with maneuvers by Zhu Juner here, and also rook fe1 by Zhu and Jun 2 controls by upwards by rook e files here, and also rook fe8 with downside with also with pins with a rook e files here with Zhu Juner, and also knight d2 okay with movement maneuvers, so it means maneuvers knight d2 to threatening the knights against that without idea decided by Zhu and Jun here, and without also with bishop g6 backwards. So this is a disappearance by book lines novelty. So this is the old main lines with 3 types here with rook ad8, second knight captured c3, and third knight captured d2. So without fourth is bishop backwards novelty, so disappearance by book lines with bishop g6 by Zhu Juner here, and also knight p3 by Zhu and Jun defense develops the pawns, and Zhu Juner knight takes c3, bishop openings captured here with diagonals with light square here, and go back with Zhu Juner with knight e4 here, bishop f5 to controls here because the bishop f5 with Zhu and Jun with threatening the knights and threats the knights, and also black pieces before move with pawn g6 with attacks the bishop here. This is a controls by positional move against with create of this one with development here. Knight d6 by Zhu Juner So it means with controls with threatening the bishop here. And also with pawn f3. Okay, pawn f3. What are plans? Or with that idea by Juan Jun with e4. So e4 with defends the bishop. And usually knight captured with bishop. Queen takes knight. And also knight b6. Okay. To contrast by this one with movement maneuver against number 2 by Jugener. And also queen c2. Okay. With queen c2 by this one. With number 2 by this one by Juan Jun. Rook ad8 with controls against rook d5 with pins against that. So without below downwards here. And also e4 by Juan Jun with attacks the pawns with first women champion captured with pawns with openings. This is the pins against rook e5 here. And also with d takes captured, and also knight d7 by Jugener. Without idea, so next maneuver is knight f8. So this is a next maneuver. And also rook ad1 to rook pairs against with first women champion Juan Jun with pins with rook d5 here. And before by this one with queen c8 with develops the pawns here. So this is a develops. And also knight f8 by number 2 by Jugener by maneuvers next knight g6 here. And also queen c3 develops the pawns, good precise here by first women champion here. And also rook d6 to controls with movement by this one by Jugener, rook d6 to next of this one with battery here. And also knight c5, good move against that with develops the pawns here with Juan Jun. And also knight e6 to attacks the threatening the knights, and with e5. So it means strong move with Juan Jun with threatening the rooks. So without explained, for example here, why don't we continue if your knight takes e6 here, and also rook capture knight, triple battery here. So if you pawn e5 here, and rook d8. So this is a good slightly better examples here. So back there it is e5 by Juan Jun attacks that threatening the rooks, and with rook d5 against that with Jugener here, and also knight e4 with ignorance here with movement of knight e4, so does not like of this computer engine by Juan Jun here. So the best move this one is pawn b4 or knight capture. So this is a two types of better move. So this is a good for correction advantage for whites here. So with the back there, this one is knight d4 bad move here, and also battery rook ad8. So this is a incorrect move by Jugener, wrong move, X move here. Okay, so the first guessing puzzle, what do you think about idea with forgot miss brilliant here? Find brilliant move against with black pieces by number 2 Grandmaster Jugener here. So waiting for couple per seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. So finding the missing the forgot brilliant, the missing brilliant here. So it means knight captured pawn. This is a brilliant knight captured sacrifice here, because this is evaluation bar, so strong highest evaluation bar. So it means Jugener missed by brilliance here. So if you rook captured sacrifice with knights here, rook captured accepted, queen captured rook d8. So it means look at C to threatening the queens here. So threats the queens, and with queen e3. So this is a good score advantage by Jugener here. So this is a black pieces here. Okay, so back there this one is battery rook ad8 here, and excelente with Juan Jun is knight d6, good move against that. Or maybe by next here by knight to f5, threatening the queens here. So this is a target stop movement here. And also rook d7 controls against that with Kushner with positional with rooks. And also b4 or next by a4. So this is a a4 by movement here. And also queen g5. So what the idea plans with Kushner? With next knight f4. So that knight f4 with before by threatening by mating knight here without threatening by mating knight against with mate here. And also rook e4 by Juan, so no more by knight f4 because this is a rook e4 by Juan with that idea to stop by movement by knights here. And also f5 by Kushner number 2 with threatening the rooks, rook backwards e2 with that second example here. So it means why don't we emphasize captured? So if you emphasize captured and rook 5 takes d6 here. So with that battery here. So this is a with one piece down here. So this is a easy wins for blacks here. Okay. So with the factor, this one is rook backward c2 by Juan here, and also queen h5. So with a Kushner with number 2 with diagonals with light square against with rooks here, and also battery rook e d2 here, king h8 force against with Kushner with properly active, and also b5 with controls by knights defense the pawns here, and c5 with push. So it means so do not captured by captured. So blunderacious. Queen c8 check. Oh, we check. So if you knight f8 here, queen captured knight with check, and also king h7 and queen captured pawn check sacrifice with challenge by queen to queen. Queen takes accepted, captured knight captured queen. So it means so 3 versus 2 minors here. So easy wins for whites here. Okay, so back there is c5 against that. So do not capture the pawns with c takes b5. So need more push here. So it means c5 by Kushner. And also queen c4 threatening the rooks here. Knight f4 good move by Kushner without defense by rooks. Capture this pawn, and also queen g4 by Kushner. So it means with the third example, why don't we rook captured accepted, rook captured d2, and queen g4. So this is a third examples here. So well, factor this one is queen g4 by Kushner. Queen takes rook, bad move. So the best move this one is queen backwards b3. So with the queen backwards b3 is a better move. The rook captured accepted, rook captured here, and also knight e2 check. So check, king f2. So this is a good score, slightly better by Juan here. So with that whites here. So well, after this one is queen takes captured rook here. So it means sacrifice. So without sacrifice here. And also with knight takes captured by queens here. So no more queens here. So without rook, knights and queens versus knight double rooks here. And rook captured knight. So this is a brand X move by Juan. So the best move, better move is h3, threatening the queens here. So if you queen, backwards g5 here, and rook captured d5. So rook captured knights here. First by, later by this one with rook captured. So before by this one, first by queen to, so it means h3 here. So this is a good score, advantage another whites here found, slightly better here. So it means, so back there this one is rook captured with knights here by Juan, king h7, what a miss by number 2 by Kushner. With a better move, this one is queen e2. So queen e2 is a threatening the pawns here. So this is a good score, slightly better for blacks by Schuschnigg here. So with a factor, this one is King h7 by number 2 by Schuschnigg here, and also h3 controls by threatening the queens. Queen e2, good move. So good move by Schuschnigg without idea with threatening the pawns before. I don't know what's threat, so with a threats the pawns here. And also with King h2 by force move against properly active by Jun, and also Rook e7 with that idea with threatening the pawns. So we'll threat the pawns here by Schuschnigg, and also Rook 1 d2, another bad move by first women champion Jun. So the best move this one is c6. So c6 here. If you take the pawns captured, and also queen c2. So that's queen c2 threatening the pawns here. So if you rook 1 d2 here, threatening the queens and queen captured pawns. So this is a good score, slightly better for whites here. So with that back there is rook 1 d2 threatening the queens, and also queen e3, another worse move by Schuschnigg number 2. So the best is queen f1. So with a queen f1 here, so this is a good for black's advantage here by Schuschnigg here. So with a back there, this one is queen e3 here. With queen e3, so it means this is a pawn x. So knights before knight capture pawn. So it means with double. So this is a double rooks and queens here. And with Jun idea, knight captured, double. So it means with the doubles with queens and rooks. So this is a two types of double. Queen f4 check, good move by number 2 by Schuschnigg. Knight g3 defense of blocking by knights here. Rook captured pawns, challenged by rook to rook. In accept by Jun, rook takes, queen takes. So rook, knights versus queen. And how many pawns here? So it means 5 connected versus 4 connected. So almost by 20 seconds by with first women champion Jun, and almost 2 minutes plus 9 seconds by number 2 Schuschnigg. So it means dying seconds by whites here. So queen captured e5 here, and also c6. So it means, so this is a cannot accept here. So this is a bad move. So the better is b6 here. So b6, if you captured. So this is a easy ones of this computer engines, slightly better here. So with the back there, this one is c6 by Jun, captured, and also queen c5. So it means bad move by number 2 by Schuschnigg. So the best move this one is h5. So we have h5 here. So if you rook e2, threatening the queens, and queen d6. Okay, queen d6. So queen d6 is a better move here. So this is a good score, slightly better for blacks. So with the factor, this one is queen c5 by Schuschnigg, rook d7, good move. So it means first, if you queen captured pawn, so it means rook captured pawn. So this is a idea by next of this one with eating the statement of this captured. And Schuschnigg, queen takes captured pawn, rook captured by Jun, and also queen d6 by Schuschnigg, rook a4, g5, okay, with a g5 by Schuschnigg, h4 with attacks the pawns, captured, rook captured pawn. Or maybe with that idea, with rook captured pawns we check, so it means traps the queens here. So this is a more of this trap here. With that avoided queen a3 by Schuschnigg, and also knight f5. Okay, with that idea with rook captured pawns we check, so it means with knights here. With that knights. So knights here with defense of this one with rooks, and with that pawns with double here. King g6 by Schuschnigg threatening the knights. Knight captured here. Okay, knight captured g6 here. I'm sorry I forgot something. In idea here, so why don't we rook queen captured pawn 3, pawns queen takes a2, and also rook captured h6 with check. King g8 here, king h3. So this is a good for examples here. So back there is king g6 threatening the knights, knight captured pawns, queen takes captured pawn, rook h3 by Juan Jun, and also queen e2. So we'll move controls here, knight g4 and queen takes captured knight. So this is a end of round number 3. It's we decided agree draw. So not bad here. So the score with first women champion Juan Jun 91.4 and number 2 by Zhu Juner 91.7. So the winner of score accuracy is number 2 Grandmaster Zhu Juner. Congratulations here. Okay, so let's see this one with final results after standings of women's standings after round number 3 in Norway chess, with a score of 5.5 points by first by Grandmaster in her boyfriend Japovsky Sindaro is Sara Sabayeva, and second by 4.5 points by Grandmaster Divya Deshmukh, and third by 4 points by Grandmaster Anna Musichuk, and also the fourth by 4 points by number 2, my favorite players, by Grandmaster Zhu Juner, and 3 points by first women champion Grandmaster China Juan Jun, and last by 2 points with Grandmaster Hampi Conero here. Okay, so the next upskip round number 5. So it means between Grandmaster Zhu Juner with number 2 versus number 4 by Grandmaster Divya Deshmukh. So I will analyze this one with soon. Okay, so I hope this part is part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logi 17, aka iCoolMark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of this next chess update. So don't forget my notification below, Mark Logi 17 English Speak Only, and Mark Logi 17 Part 2 with Tagalog and Cebuanos. And happy midnights here, and bye bye.